Hello, my name is Dan. I am a content creator and a voiceover artist, and I just experienced the magic of the Smile Bar. The experience was painless, fast, and it was very relaxing. The staff clearly guided me from the very first part of the process up until the end. She introduced to me the Nano Seal Protect. I really think that it is really important because kung wala palang Nano Seal Protect, it will take you 72 hours or approximately 3 days bago ka kumain ng normal diet mo. If you're a guy like me who's always on the go and who has a lot of activities that you're being done every day, I would definitely recommend that giving highlight and emphasis kung gaano kaputi at ka-bright ang ating mga teeth, because apart from that, it also adds confidence, especially if you're someone who gets to meet a lot of people, who goes to different places. Actually, ano nga, nakatulog nga ako. I didn't notice na tapos na pala. And yeah, I really felt and have seen the results afterwards. Thank you so much, the Smile Bar.